Well, good morning. We're here today on the traditional territory of Treaty 6, and I recognize the Métis people who share a deep connection with this land. Well, Jason Kenney is spending his last day as Premier attempting to rewrite history. To the very end, he accepts no responsibility for the profound crisis that he leaves behind in Alberta's healthcare system. Frankly, it's disgusting to see the UCP argue that somehow healthcare workers, the system that they make possible, failed Albertans, when the truth is, it is the UCP that have failed us all. They callously and repeatedly pushed paramedics, nurses, doctors, all healthcare workers to the limit. And now Albertans are paying the price with closed hospitals, longer emergency room wait times, dangerous ambulance delays, and hundreds of thousands of Albertans unable to find a family doctor. Incoming AMA President Paul Parks shared photos today of hallway medicine taking place in Calgary and Edmonton as ambulances are unable to offload new patients. He said that the backlog of patients is taking up half of emergency department spaces in Edmonton and Calgary hospitals. Just this past weekend, we saw emergency room times in the Red Deer Regional Hospital surge up to 18 hours. Now, my heart goes out to all of the people in central Alberta who travel to that hospital in distress and then face a wait of up to 18 hours to get medical attention. Surgeons in the Red Deer Regional say the system is near collapse, despite their best efforts, the efforts of all frontline healthcare workers to hold this system together. That is the UCP's legacy on healthcare. That is Premier Kenney's legacy. And after tonight, I fear it will only get worse. The UCP leadership candidates are promising reckless experiments that will damage families' access to care even more. I talked to frontline healthcare workers who are deeply worried because they simply don't have the capacity to handle any more chaos from the UCP. Any attempts to increase the number of people in the healthcare workforce is ultimately undermined by the UCP's seemingly unending drive to create chaos in the system they work in. For their sake, I hope we can get through the next 7 months. But I want all Albertans to know that the Alberta NDP is committed to bringing real resources to the front line and working with frontline healthcare providers so that all Albertans can get the care they need in their community when they need it. Thank you, and I'm happy to take any questions.
And with that, we'll open the floor for questions. A reminder to press star 9 if you're dialing in or use the hand function on Zoom. Taking one last pass for questions. A reminder to press star 9 if you're dialing in or use the raise hand function on Zoom. Please state your name and at the top of the out. Seeing none, that concludes today's press conference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.